get them up. Everybody up, love we look, yeah, get them up.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So this video is gonna be a short one. So by the title and the thumbnail, y'all already know what's gonna go down. Got the taillights bulb for the 2010 on the card, 4-door. So we're gonna change out the turn signals. So we're gonna change them out, and yeah guys, let's get into it. Also, don't mind all of this for my lady, our daily. So this under is our daily. So I'm just gonna change out the turn signal bulbs real quick. So first we're gonna have to pull the guard piece. So you could use a flathead or a clip puller, because these are clips. So I'm gonna pull these off real quick and then get back to you guys. Okay, so there you go. Pull it to the side. So now we're gonna try one of these, and then I'm gonna turn on the 4-way. And also you could get this product on Amazon or anything, but I'm gonna drop the link for this down in the description, so y'all could go cop it. And also I'm gonna put a discount code right there, so you guys could get like 15% off. So yeah guys, big shout out to AUXITO for sponsoring me, or I should say sponsoring this video, these taillight turn signal bulbs. So yeah guys, go over there and show them some support, and also y'all gonna get 15% off. So yeah guys, AUXITO, go and copy your auto parts. So I just fit this one in, so I'm gonna go and turn on the 4-way real quick and come back, and we're gonna check this, see if it's working. So bear with me guys. Okay guys, so there you go. I got the turn signal right now. The shit bright as hell. Damn. So these came from AUXITO. If y'all need your lights, go and check them out. And yeah guys, so I'm gonna fix up this side, put it back, and then start on the next side. So, and the turn signal is this one right here, so y'all could like test it first. It's right there too. So if you guys like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get to the next side. Okay guys, so there you go. Turn signals change out, and damn, these are bright. And remember, you could get it on AUXITO, so you guys could go and check it out. Damn. So if you guys like the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and peace. Catch you in the next one. Okay guys, so here's it. That's how the turn signals look. They're bright as hell. So these are the ones from AUXITO turn signal, and I'm gonna show you the one in the front on the brand new headlight.